The Hawaii Last Will. What is a last will? A last will is a set of public instructions about where your assets go after you pass away. A person who creates a will is called a testator. A person receiving under the will is called a beneficiary. And the one who administers the estate of a deceased person is called an executor. Why create a last will? By creating a will, you make sure that your money and other assets are distributed the way you want. It also allows you to make specific distributions. For example, you can indicate exact shares for your every beneficiary or even disinherit someone completely. What are the requirements for the document? To be valid in the state of Hawaii, a will, number 1, should be created by a person with the required testamentary capacity. This means that a testator should be at least 18 years old and of sound mind. Requirement number 2, it should be in writing. Also, the state of Hawaii allows holographic wills, handwritten wills signed by the testator without witnessing a notarizing. Oral wills are not recognized as valid in the state of Hawaii. Number 3, it should be signed by the testator in the presence of at least 2 witnesses. The witnesses should be credible and not interested in the testator's estate, over 18 years old, and must also sign the will themselves. Number 4, it doesn't have to be certified by a notary public, but you can make your last will self-proving by attaching a self-proving affidavit to it, and that requires notarization. Can a will be revoked? A will can be partly or entirely revoked in 3 cases. By a subsequent will, your new will revokes the previous one. By destroying the will, for example by tearing or burning it. By operation of law, a divorce will revoke every provision regarding the former spouse, unless the will provides otherwise. How to write a will? A will can be written in 3 ways. By yourself, by handwriting or using a fillable template, with the help of a lawyer or a law firm, which is usually quite costly, or through our step-by-step builder that will allow you to create a highly customized last will.